A cocktail strainer is a bartending tool used to separate ice or other solid ingredients from a mixed drink when pouring it into a glass. It ensures only the liquid part of the cocktail is served. A hawthorn strainer is a bartending tool with a coiled spring around its rim designed to fit snugly into a mixing glass or shaker. It is used to strain out ice and other solid ingredients when pouring cocktails into a serving glass, ensuring only the liquid passes through. A julep strainer is a bartending tool with a perforated bowl and a handle. It is specifically designed for straining stirred cocktails, like those made in mixing glasses, by holding back ice and other solid ingredients while allowing the liquid to flow into a serving glass. A cocktail fine strainer is a bartending tool with a fine mesh, used to strain out very small particles, such as fruit pulp or ice shards, from a mixed drink. It ensures a smoother and more refined texture in the final cocktail.